Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Today's video is the wheel spacers for this Tesla Model X. Do wheel spacers affect the ride quality? Aside from boosting the ride quality directly, wheel spacers assist in the safe installation of other suspension parts. When it comes to suspension upgrades, changing the shock absorbers and struts is a good starting point. They are the parts of the suspension that absorb the bumps in the road to make the ride smooth. Car manufacturers have arranged the OEM shock absorbers, springs, wheels, and tires properly. Replacing the shock absorbers may cause tire rubbing. When the rubbing issues occur, wheel spacer will be one of the easiest and quickest solutions. By moving the wheel further away from the chassis, they create more space from the hub assembly to the wheels. It is an effective way to keep tires from bumping the aftermarket shock absorbers. BONOSS Tesla Model X wheel spacers are CNC machined, precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This improves the heat and functionality of spacers. BONOSS Tesla wheel spacers' high precision makes the spacers fit the hub better, flush to the fender. This is helpful in avoiding high-speed wheel vibration.
So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions about these wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.